Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a package to open. Deron said there's a little birthday surprise in here for me. My birthday is in March, and I take the whole month. I take a birthday month. First it was a week, then it got to be a month, and I love it. Love, love, love it. All right. Oh, what is this? Very cool, Deron. I've never seen this one before. 50 modern designs for fashion dolls. Oh, this looks very cool. And my black dolls will love it. Oh, that's cute. The lace dress. Little mermaid skirt. In the country. Oh, I like that top. Oh, I like that a lot. Where are the patterns? Or are they just going to tell me how to make them? Well, I'm not seeing. Oh, wait. Here's some. Hopefully, I don't think so, though. I'm going to have to get a. Oh, wait a minute. It does say the patterns. Let's see. I don't think so. We'll have to see.
Maybe it says back in the description for that one where the pattern is.
That's what I was looking at. What you need, gingham and a small trans. I don't see where it says. And it doesn't have the inches.
Right, yeah, that's not to any scale.
No. Patterns. Abbreviation. Huh. I don't know. I'll have to sit down and investigate. Okay, let's see. This might be, no, yep, here we go. Here we go. This is the shirt.
Yep.
And the pants. Oh, okay. I was just a little confused. Let's flip through here a little bit more. Oh, a little coat. Let's hope that's with it. Looks like it's just the
coat front and back.
There you go. Yep, you need some transparent paper. Well, how cute is that? Thank you very much. I'm going to keep flipping here so people can get an idea. They might want to order this too. Oh, very cute. This can also be used for Blythe dolls. And many times it'll just fit. But as you're making the outfit, what I do is as I'm using a Barbie pattern, I try it on my doll. I try the pattern on after I copy it out and cut it out. And then I also try the outfit on as I'm sewing. Oh, look at that, artsy. There you go, Ayla. That one's for you. In the snow. Oh, that's cute. And there's the patterns. Okay. Oh, very cool. And I'm wondering if I could gear these up a little bit, or if I would need to for my Macy's dolls. Definitely shorter like the Blythe, but I wonder, wonder. Oh, this is cool. Thank you very much. That's very cool. Let's see if there's a picture of all of them. I guess that was it, huh? Here, there's some outfits, and then each page has a picture, and then here. So there's no picture of all the outfits, but this is chock full. It really is 50. Very cool. Thank you very much. And what else is in here?
Oh, nothing all that exciting. Your headlamp.
Oh, cool. I need that, yeah. And this is for the sink, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Do you have this book or have you seen this book? And subscribe.